the 2019 Mercedes GLE for goes to Immobiliser. This is going to be a tutorial on how to start, change the password and enter and exit service mode. So on this car, if I was to put my foot directly on the brake and start the vehicle, it will turn on as normal. And in this case, if I was to go to drive the vehicle, it will cut off purely from the ghost. There you go, as you can see. So I'll just go back to park. Now I'm going to restart the engine. You'll notice nothing is going to happen. It's going to keep shutting itself off. So what I'm going to do is simply press the password, which on this case I've set it to a mute button 4 times. Then you'll get your little flash of your P just up at the top there. Now if I put my foot on the brake and start the vehicle, it will start as normal. And because I've entered the password, if I go and drive the vehicle, it will go into gear and move as normal. There we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to enter service mode. So to enter service mode, all we have to do is press our service button. In this case, on this car, it's set to the mute button. I'm just going to press it 5 times. And you only do this once you're outside the dealership. There you go. So you can see the flashing here and there. So you get 5 flashes to let you know you pressed it 5 times, and that is in service mode. So you'd simply switch the vehicle off, hand them the keys, let them do their garage work. Once you've received the vehicle back, all you're going to do is simply start the vehicle again and simply just put your normal password you use. In this case, obviously, again, my password is the mute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll get your 2 flashes for confirmation. There we go, and that's back out of service mode. So now what I'm going to show you is how to change the password for this vehicle. So in this instance, we need to use our accelerator pedal just down here. So we don't want the engine to be on, otherwise you're going to rev the engine up. So all you're going to do is simply press the start button. Obviously there's no engine, so we're going to enter our existing password. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to get 2 flashes. There we go. So now what we're going to do is on our accelerator pedal all the way to the floor, we're going to press and hold it, and now we're going to enter the same password at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and once you get the flash just at the top, there we go, and it will keep flashing. You can now remove your feet, so you don't need any feet on your pedals or anything like that, and it will continue to flash. That is in programming or learning mode, should I say, for your new password. The buttons on this we can use are going to be mute, volume up, volume minus. We can use the paddle shifters, plus and minus, a few other buttons as well. Obviously it's entirely down to your choice on what password you need to set. So for this one, I'm going to just change the password entirely on this car. So I'm going to change it to this minus paddle just on this side. So if I'm going to press it, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, it was flashing every time I pressed the button. That way you know the button works. So you get your 3 confirmation flashes. Now you have to re-enter your new password again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it'll give me 2 flashes if it's confirmed, 4 flashes if I need to restart and try again. So I had 2 flashes, so I know it's all good. I'm just going to switch the vehicle off, and that is my new password. So if I go to press the start button on here, we're going to switch the car on. I'm going to input our new password this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I get my 2 flashes. There we go. Now I can put my foot on the brake, start the engine. That's it. If you need any other help, just give us a call on 0208 554 555.